Hey Jammers, what's up? And today we are going to be doing a giveaway. Now, my goal was to hit 20 subs. Oh, sorry guys. My goal was to hit 20 subs, but we only hit 7. That's okay guys. But, let me write down. I told him that I would write down all the names and we can get the giveaway started. So let's get started. I have to find something to write with, guys. Okay, now let me get a pencil. Cat 1S MIAAMA Regal REGALNIGHT Regal Knight ARTIX Arctic Wolf 123. And then we have over here Sue 0119. Okay, so for okay, so let's see what is here. So for HID Falls Music. So for Hidden Falls Music is Regal Knight. So for Hidden Falls, the Flamingo gets it. Let me send it to you. Nope. You have to do the Hidden Falls. Oh, I hate it when it glitches. Okay, here we go. HIDDEN. Hidden. Why is there G, guys? Hidden. Here we go. Yes. I will accept because you're the one that won the giveaway. Okay, next. Okay, next for my diamond head bow, we have Cat 1. Put the bet on trade. Cause you won. You won't have no bunny. No, bunny. Okay. You win diamond head. Oh, I'm in the wrong category, guys. Diamond DIA. DIA. Okay. Come on, you can do it, computer. Don't be laggy on me now. Come on, you can do it. DIA. There we go. Aw, seriously, guys. Okay. DIA. Here we go. You better accept because you won this. So. And that's like one of the best trades ever. So. Okay, next. Okay, next for Elf Scale Armor. TAILARMOUR. Next for Tail Elf Armor, we have let me check, guys. Is Mia still here? Wait a second, is this Mia? No. Is Sue 0119? You won. You won. Put bad on trade. Is bad on. I wonder if she'll accept for this guy though. That's like not exactly a fair trade, but like if I wanna, let's just see if she accepts, guys. So she won the elf. Here we go. Let's see if she accepts. That's sort of like a trade, but I feel like she's gonna decline, guys. But that's okay. Okay, put bet on trade. Put bet on trade. Okay, that is on trade. Oh, she was, wait. But I want to see if she'll accept for this, guys. So, she won it. And if she doesn't accept, I'll just trade for the necklace because, you know what? No, it's a giveaway, guys. So I'm gonna be nice. Okay, there you go. You better accept that. Okay, now for, let's see, next. Now for the high top sneakers. RS. Now for the high top sneakers. I can't talk this. So let's see. Okay, who is this? Let me write down their name. Who is this? I need to write down their name. Oh, New Jammer. Okay. 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 Try. You might win it. Okay. Okay, but the winner is dun, 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 dun. Arctic Wolf 123. You won. No, I can't play pairs right now. I'm sorry. Won, Bunny. You won, Bunny. Oh wow, she's so greedy. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, I put that on trade. Put that on trade. I wonder if that's their bad stuff. No, I don't want to remove it. I don't know if this is their bad. Oh, okay. This is their bad. Oopsies. They won the high top sneakers, guys. High top sneakers. Here we go. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, let's see. What's on my trade next? For my elegant table. For elegant table. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and pick a random name. It is Regal Knights again. You won. Okay, we have to write. We have to write down. Yes, you. Do you have it? Okay. Put bad on trade. Put bad on trade. Yes. I will accept that. Okay. Okay, next. Trade. What's on trade next for music? For music, we have dun 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 drum roll. It is Arctic. Oh wait. No, sorry guys. It was Oh, wait a second. Let me do this again because I opened my eyes, guys. So that was like sort of a treat. I mean, a cheap treat. I can't even talk, guys. Okay. It is Jace Corn. You won. You won. Jace Corn. Put that on. Put that on. Put that on. I don't even think she knows that she's in a video, guys, but that's okay. I can't press her username, though. So, it is Jace Corn. Okay. Okay, well, none of this is... I'll just take this watch, guys, because they won the bunny. You. No, bunny. No, bunny. The bunny one, not you. I'm sorry, Sue, but the bunny one. I feel bad, because she's gonna have, like, a small fish. Not you. Not you. This bunny. Okay, now I have to search it up again. JSCORN. Are you gonna participate or not? You know what? I'm just gonna trade. How about we trade for this? Because no, that's not a fair trade, guys. I'm not gonna do that. So geckos. Okay, there you go. Hopefully they accept because that was what they want. Okay, and they declined. But you won that. Oh, yes you were. Okay, just accept, okay? Just say that you were in it, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, and the winner of it is New Jammer. Is there a New Jammer here? No New Jammer. Okay, we have to cross their name out. Okay, and the winner is Arctic Wolf. You won. Okay, well that was what they said was bad. So they won again, so yes, I'm doing random. What wallpaper? I'm sorry, I don't have any wallpaper on here. Okay. Okay, for Peacock. Okay, for Peacock. The winner is is let's see. Um oh my goodness. Arctic Wolf. I'm sorry. Even though that's fair, I'm not gonna. So the winner for the Peacock is Cat1S. I'm gonna tell her that you won. Okay, now I have to give you my Peacock. Okay, here you go. Because you won that, so.